Well, it's the last day, packing up time.
So glad we had this time together, just to have a laugh or sing a song.
You wanna hear my song?
Oh God.
Who let the dogs out? Woo, woo. So we're packing up slowly. This was the campsite. The boys came, Lila came. It was interesting. It was fun. This is our bed set up, and now it's pack up time. These are our neighbors here, and this guy had a big RV thing. So we gotta pull the tent down, pack the boxes in, and then I think we're gonna go paint. We have to get out of here by 12, so we'll go on the beach and paint, and then we'll come back and drive off. All right, see you.
Watch Pan John just a kick. Watch Pan John just a kick on the skins with we. Feel no way. I said no feel no way. The dogs will play. Because the dogs will play. Dogs will play. Hey. No way I say.
I assume like you're pretty cool, and I was just wondering like if since you are artists or something, you have both different like views on what it looks like, right?
Right.
Did you compare them at the end? Can I just see like what you come up with?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Two different media.
Totally.
Yeah.
That's what I was wondering, like if you have like kind of the same view.
Yeah, no.
Like what the paintings come out.
Right.
close.
No.
See, I would copy the person next to me.
Right. I thought about it.
Oh, you were that guy.
I would copy the person next
Yeah.
to me. You wouldn't even know I was looking over your shoulder.
Yeah, I thought about that.
That's cool. Are you using two different styles of painting too?
I'm just oil and Jennifer.
Probably, yeah, because
Or yours is
he
more
puts
water?
down.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is watercolor. That's oil.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's two different approaches. I
Yeah.
have to save the light, and he can start out dark and go to light.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
We painted the surface yesterday.
Oh, you did? Oh,
Yeah.
Cool.
That was interesting.
That's awesome.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Keep peeking over your shoulder.
That's okay. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
I say feel no way. I said no feel no way. The dogs will play. Because the dogs will play. Dogs will play. Ain't no way. Rubber dubs it a go play. Bubbling all night long. Swinging and singing and swinging and singing my song. I sing.
So we're all packed up. Easy pack up. Took us like 20 minutes. Me with a sprained finger, still 20 minutes. Truck's all packed up to go.
Watch it.